Hi everyone, and here's a new quick video in my Silly Little Tricks series. Did you know that you can use the Adobe Bridge to also work with Corel Painter without doing anything? As long as you have the two programs open and Photoshop is not, and you can see down here in my toolbar, I have the Bridge open, and you click on an image with the ending RIF. Oh my God, my age is showing. I can't remember what that's called. If you know what that's called, whether it's a TIFF or a JPEG or a RIF or native file format. File format. See that? I problem solved. Okay, this is becoming a very long, silly little trick. I digress. Here, as long as the image that you're working in is a RIF, not a TIFF, but a RIF, all you have to do is double click, and the Bridge will take it over to Painter for you with the layers. And then you can check how far along your painting is coming. Unfortunately, this one I haven't done much, so let's see. Let's try it with another one. Do I want to save? No. All I did was turn the layers on and off. I'm not going to save because I don't, God forbid, I did something wrong to it. Okay, so I'm going to minimize Painter. Here's my Bridge again. Okay, let's try. So let's see. I open this image, and here I can see, because I always paint on a separate layer, I can see how far I have progressed in this painting. Just by, and I can see I'm up to the highlights and things like that, and color in the dress and stuff. And that's one of my silly little tricks. If you're interested in hearing about more as I come across them, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so you'll get notifications of other silly little trick videos. And I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.